Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be doing some maintenance on the F350. We've had it for a full day now, pretty much.
Already had to tow something.
Yep. This thing.
The Jeep survived one day.
Did not survive. Did not survive. You got flat towed home. That does not count as surviving. So for any of y'all that missed it, which I don't think many of y'all missed it, but this is a 1999 Ford F350. It's got the good old 7.3 in it. It's got like what, 220,000 miles on it?
Yeah, it's nothing.
Yeah, it just needs some good old TLC. So we actually had to plug in the block heater, which we found out it has one.
Yep.
Because it would not start this morning. It was very cold outside.
For all the hate comments coming from that, you guys recommending Dodges that the motor can fail by a single dowel pin? Come on, it's the 7.3, legendary.
So we actually went to AutoZone and we got two brand new Duralast batteries. That should be good for years to come. Today, the plan is, it's actually gonna get dark here soon. We're gonna at least knock the oil change out, so we'll bring you guys along for that. All right, Jay, what you doing, buddy?
What's up?
What's going on?
So, previous owner said Car Toys installed this radio, which may or may not be true. One, considering it's a dual radio, which is usually Walmart brand, and two, we can't see what we're doing at nighttime gauges wise, because whatever they did with the dimmer controls for the radio, you get the gauge lights too bright, radio cuts out, starts freaking out. So all you gotta do, take this panel off, a couple connectors that you gotta undo on the headlight side, and then one over here for the cigarette lighter. If I can get it undone. There we go. So, cigarette lighter's undone. This whole panel, one piece, comes out. And we'll throw that back there. And I can pull this guy right on out. Just kidding.
JK, bro. So while Jay's fixing the radio, I'm gonna go ahead and drain all 15 quarts of oil out of this thing.
Have fun.
What's going on there, Gabe?
I have no idea if I'm able to turn this by hand. I'm about to find out.
Do you want me to give it a shot?
Hold on.
So right now Gabe is trying to get the oil filter off of the new truck so he can get the oil change on it. But anyways, he's trying to get that off, and these diesel motors have huge, massive freaking oil filters, and so he's trying to get that off right now. Alright, so we got the oil filter off. Took a little to get it off. New oil filter right there. So what Gabe's going to do, he's going to pour 2 quarts of oil into that new oil filter.
We're filling the oil filter with oil right now. Apparently it takes 2 quarts, so I'm letting it sit for a little bit. So this is a first for us. Diesel oil change. So we're learning just like you guys are. Well, some of you. I put in the box so we avoid spilling.
Putting the new oil filter back on. Big oil filter.
Alright, that's pretty tight.
Good?
Yep.
Alright. Well, got the oil filter on.
This is the most oil you poured into a vehicle before?
Yep. We just got the oil change done. Went pretty smoothly actually. So we're gonna fast forward to the next day, Monday. So we're gonna fast forward to tomorrow and continue working on this truck. So get some sleep and we'll see y'all in 5 seconds. Alright, so oil change is done, truck is running good. We also solved the cold start issue by installing a brand new glow plug relay. So we actually found out that the relay was bad. So we got a new one in it, and this morning it was like 30 something degrees. The truck started right up, no problems at all. We didn't even have to plug in the block heater. So now what we're doing, we're taking care of the bed rust issue. So when we looked at the truck, obviously this is pretty bad. The bed's pretty well rusted, but we did check the frame, and like you can see, there's nothing really on the frame. So it's only the bed, but it will get worse if we don't fix it. So that's what we're gonna be doing for the next few hours. Daniel's getting that ready. While he's cleaning the bed out, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got. We're gonna be painting the bed with this rustoleum truck bed coating. So it's actually pretty much what I had on the old 4Runner that you guys saw on the channel. Kind of expensive. This can was like 45 bucks. But anyways, the plan is we're gonna go ahead first and power wash all this crap out of the bed, and then we gotta sand it. Actually, technically grind it, right?
Yeah, grind it.
So we got grinding wheels. So we're gonna go ahead and get to work. I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod, and it's gonna be a little bit of a time lapse. Actually, a lot of time lapse. So we're gonna go ahead and get this bed clean. Alrighty guys, so we pressure washed and soaped the entire truck bed, so it's about as clean as it's gonna get at the moment. So right now we're gonna go ahead and grab our ankle grinder and grind out as much of this rust as we can, which I kind of have my doubts how much we'll be able to do, but Daniel says he can do a lot.
Alright. Yeah.
My name's Jeff.
My name's Jeff.
Oh yeah, Daniel got a Pizza Hut sign for the car.
From the junkyard.
From the junkyard, for free. For free.
Well, this is my first time seeing this.
Yeah, what do you think, Joe?
The bed's a little messed up, but other than that, it looks pretty clean actually. I'm proud of you. Good purchase. Woo! Second good purchase I approve of.
All right, well, we just read, or he read the can for once, and because guys never read directions, y'all know this. The can says you don't have to grind it down, so we're gonna skip that process, right, Daniel?
Yes.
From the man himself. The bed is still wet from being power washed. What we're gonna go ahead and do is speed up the process because it's getting dark here. That's okay, we got lights, but we're gonna go ahead and get our good old flamethrower out, and we should get it dry in like what, 30 seconds? Maybe a little bit longer than that. But this is the fun way to dry your truck bed. Let's do it.
Opening up the truck bed liner.
He didn't.
Look at the can.
He definitely didn't finesse it.
We're gonna use the whole can, so.
Oh, bud.
It's okay. He doesn't open paint cans. He edits videos. I can't blame him.
Not much
All right.
finesse. You can smell it too now.
Yeah, so it's already looking a hell of a lot better. We have to go get a brush from Walmart or something, a brush so we can get into those small crevices like over there. The corners, you still see some of the white peeking through. But yeah, first layer is pretty much done, and this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look a little bit better than this, but we found out that we can clean the garage and move the truck in. We got lights now, so time for layer number 2. Let's do it. Now I'm gonna play music. Oh, poor thing.
Are you sad now?
Yeah, I'm sad. Zach, go rescue it.
What am I gonna rescue it? It's your
In the
truck.
arms of
It's your mom.
an angel.
It's my
What are you doing? Are you gonna crush it?
Don't kill it. Let it live. It's just.
You're gonna scratch the paint more than you're gonna get it
What are you
free.
trying to do? You still have to get it out.
You're trying to see it pumping. It's like. We're at. He's trying to get free. We're sitting here mocking it for trying to get free. Yeah. Ooh. You got
Alright,
Steve
so we're
Irwin.
bedlining the truck, and this bot flew into the truck, and it got stuck in the paint, and Zach's here to save it.
Oh, look at Steve Irwin.
Look at that guy.
He saved him. Watch, he's gonna fly right back in it.
Miata is dead. We've came to the definite conclusion that the rings are done.